Is your debit card throwing a tantrum every time you try to use it on your iPhone? Let's get that sorted in under 90 seconds. First, double-check the obvious. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID. Next, select Payment and Shipping. Make sure the debit card information listed here is exactly correct. Typos happen. Verify the card number, expiration date, and security code. Expired card. That's an easy fix. If your card is expired, you'll need to update it with the new expiration date or add a completely new card. Now, let's check Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app. If you're using your debit card through Apple Pay, make sure the card is properly set up and activated. Look for any error messages or alerts if there are any. Follow the on-screen instructions to resolve them. Sometimes, removing the card and reading it to Apple Pay can do the trick. Still no luck? Your bank might be blocking the transaction, especially for online or unusual purchases. Give them a call. The number's usually on the back of your card. Ask them if there are any holds or restrictions on your card and authorize the specific transaction if needed. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps got your debit card working smoothly on your iPhone. Again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.